Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I get lots of requests for how to make a bow with a 5-inch ribbon, so I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut it long enough so that I can fold it in half and then tie it onto a wreath or a tree or tie it onto wherever I want. So I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I've got about 3/4 of a yard, and I'm just going to take this ribbon, and this is going to be my tails, and just put that into my Bowdabra. And I've already dovetailed the ends, which you can see. So put that in. Then I'm going to take my 5-inch ribbon, I'm going to just twist it and scrunch it down into the Bowdabra. Basically, it works exactly the same as with every other bow ribbon that you use in your Bowdabra. Because the cool thing about the Bowdabra is you're not limited by width, you're just limited by what you can stack into the towers of the Bowdabra. So we're just going to fold this back and forth. And if you want to see other bows, we have lots of videos on our YouTube channel, so follow us on YouTube, and definitely subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Facebook. So all I'm doing here is just folding and twisting and scrunching that down into my Bowdabra. So again, now this is a pretty difficult ribbon because it wants to fold in the middle, but I don't want it to do that. So we're going to keep folding and twist, and I'm going to just make one more loop here and scrunch it in. And then I'm going to take my poinsettia and put that right down in the center. You can use any pick that you like depending on the season. So I just happen to have a poinsettia available right away, so I took it. So I'm just going to put that into my Bowdabra. I'm just going to open my towers, put my wand down in here, scrunch everything in. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull this through the slip knot, pull it, I guess I have to let go of the wire, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out, I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and tie another knot, and now I'm going to shape out my loops, bring this down here, shape all my loops around, pulling them in opposite directions, bring this tail down here. And once you finish shaping, you'll have this absolutely beautiful bow.